I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your midday market update. Well, markets are down on this Friday before the long holiday weekend. Looks like we're seeing a little profit taking here. I'm here with Alan Valdes from DME Securities. So, Alan, we got some grumblings from the Fed about potentially easing off the quantitative easing, and that kind of sent the markets down. But we got durable goods orders this morning, and they were better than expected. And it seems like we trimmed those morning losses.
You're right. What's good for the economy can be bad for the market. So here we had a good durable goods order report, but yet that kind of spooked the market also, because if it's good, then the Feds may taper off because that's bad for the market. So good news for the economy, bad news for the market. But I think in the long run, the market's going to watch the Feds more than anything else. People say, well, this rally is not just liquidity, it's about earnings, it's about growth. Fact is, it's all about liquidity, all about the Feds, and you saw it this week. I mean, the minute even a slight talk about pulling away tanks the market. So it's just all about the Fed.
And when you talk about the market, as you know, we have just been rocking. We have moved up so high this year. It's not a surprise to see that people are taking a little bit off the table right now.
You don't make money till you sell something, So no, I'm not surprised at all. I mean, I actually sold a little this morning too. It's a long weekend. You don't know what could happen. Why not play it safe? The market's up double digits already. Nasdaq's up, so take a little money off the table. It doesn't hurt. You can always get back in. But I think basically this market will just trend the rest of the summer now. I think most of the earnings are done. I think all the big news, I think the focus now is going to be on all these scandals in Washington, events in Europe. So I think there'll be a lot less news out of the news wires on the market. And you might see it slow up for the summer volume today. Like you mentioned, it's like a holiday today.
All right, so if we do take this focus off of the market, like you said, the big hedge funds, the big money guys, they're not writing tickets this summer.
No, not at all. These guys are already going to the Hamptons right now. So no, they're not writing any big tickets. So I think you could see the market just trend sideways for the rest of the summer probably on light volume. Like we mentioned, the Fed's doing a lot of gabbing, but I don't see them actually pulling away at all anytime soon.
All right, well, there you have it. Alan does not think Ben Bernanke is going to actually do any action. It's going to be all talk from Ben. And it sounds like we're going to be really focused on Washington this summer. So that's Alan Valdes from DME Securities. And I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.